Morning. Today we are going to look at the Roborock S5 Max robot vacuum cleaner, and then look at whether it's okay to buy this cheap parts for the Roborock. There are certain components for the Roborock S5 Max which you need to change. This after a while. In the app you can see they will give a notification when to change the components. Typically the components you need to change would be that mop, that cloth, this cloth, the filters, the roller brush, and this side brush. Okay, you just need to go to the app and look at under maintenance, and then it will give you a schedule of when it is going to be used. So first off, to look at is the filter. Okay, I have actually bought the filter. Okay, I've also changed the filter once. Okay, I've bought this. These are the cheap ones. The cheap ones are about 70% less than the original. So these are all the except for that mat. That's original. I have not changed it, but this filters, brush, side brush are the cheap ones, which are about 70% less than the original parts. And let's see how good it is. Okay, I've used this cheap China made filter. Let's see how good it is. So I've also cleaned up this filter. So this has been used for a number of hours of working. So far it's good. It fits into this box. You don't have to change. This box is still the original. You don't have to change. You just need to change the filter. So and it fits perfectly onto the box. So no problem. Just do the normal cleanup once a week. Clean up the dust from here, clean up that, and then give it a rinse. Maybe once a week. Give it a rinse. For comparison, also I've used this Roborock almost every day now. I bought this and I've used it for 2.5 years. So this is the condition of the Roborock S5 Max. 2.5 years, still good, functioning still well, no problem. Okay, side brush. This is a side brush. I've changed this from the original into this cheap China one, and as you can see, it's really cheap. The problem is that this tentacle tends to get sorted out under that. Eventually, there were 2 tentacles got sorted out, and it was so bad I had to cut it. Just cut this and cut this. And then this is third one that still goes down under that, so I only have 2 tentacles, which spoils the cleaning process. So if you want to get the side brush, I would recommend getting the original side brush. This one is the cheap one, really bad. So this is the cheap one. It fits into it, but I guess there is some gap under it. The measurement is not exact, so there's some gap on it, so it gets tangled up. Not good. And then this is the brush. Okay, let's see the brush after 2.5 years. 2.5 years. So the original brush is still. I've used the original brush, but as you can see, it's also nearing end of life. I've cleaned it up just now. Full tangle of. You can see hair. Looks that the brush is still okay. So it looks okay, but it's coming up to the end of life, and you see a lot of tests on this rubber sweeper. So this needs to be changed, and I'll be changing into this. This is the cheap China one. Okay, Offhand it looks about the same. Not much difference. And let's see if it fits. Oops, I got this upside down. See if it fits. Yep, fits. Done. Change. So that was a quick change. That was easy. Quick change. This one I need a screwdriver to unscrew this, and then replace with this, and that's it. So those are the parts: filter, set brush, roller brush. Of course, the side brush, the cheap ones are really not good. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.